guys, today we're going to do a quick video, before video, on this Panasonic, it's an MCE468 upright vacuum cleaner. Now this is the latest at the Shrines, although I did find it about 2 weeks ago. But yeah, it come from one of my neighbours. She was chucking it out. I asked her why she was chucking it out, because she was outside. She'd just come in from walking her dog. And she's like, oh, I just bought a new one, so I took it. I was like, oh, can I take it? She's like, yeah, I can take it. So, yeah. Here's the back of it. Very basic. Fair, really. I've had one of these before. Quite a soft dusting brush. Pretty good nick, actually. Element like that. It's a spider, I think it is. Yeah, I think that's a spider. Got the wand with the crevice tool inside. It came with a half-use pack of Unifit bags. I think there's 3 or 2 left in there. I think there is, I don't know. Yeah, I think there's 3 in there. Yeah, there's 3 in there. And there's one in the machine on the switch. It's very dirty. I have cleaned it briefly, but nothing much. This will be washed out. I need washing. Just put this back in. That will need washing out and cleaning. I'm not buying new. I'm not spending no money on this if I want to. I just can't be arsed, to be fair. It's just an old Hoover. There's a bag. It's just a paper thing. It's got a bit of dirt in there because I did run it around downstairs briefly. Some kind of glued thing on there. I don't know what that is. And then there's a filter with a few dog hairs on it. There's the inside of there. It's a lot of carbon dust. It's one of these ones where you can turn the brush roll on and off. So these are pretty decent machines. They're not the powerfulest machines in the world, even though they're 1600 watt. I think a DAF Henry is more powerful than this. They're not very powerful at all, to be fair. But they're pretty quiet. They're pretty lightweight as well. Here's the brush roll. Bit of crap on it. Brushes are quite stubbly, but if you look this way, see they just stick out, so they do hit the carpet. And they've got beater bars on it as well. So the original belt on this was so stretched, so I bodged a Dyson belt on it. So yeah, but anyway, so let's take the cable off. The original cable, of course. No damage to it as well. It looks like it's been looked after. So it's got all the original stuff on it. There's only that bit of damage on it, but it's pretty damageless, I think. But what do you expect from an upright vacuum cleaner that's a few years old? But anyway, turn that up. It runs pretty smooth. Brush on a bit of oil or something on it, on the bearings, on those edge cleaning things. Yeah, these are pretty easy to strip down, so it won't take me long. It will take me half hour, if that. Strip it, and then cleaning, and all that poop. Hose, I don't think that happened on the other one that I had. I think the other one I had was just, the hose was just in that bend piece there. But yeah, I quite like these. I think they're quite cool. So I might daily this actually next year. But yeah, there we go. I might make a few videos tomorrow as well. Tomorrow's Wednesday, the 25th. Adam's coming over, so we'll make a few videos hopefully. But yeah, there we go. There's that. Thank you for watching. Put that like that. Get my thumbnail. Please like, subscribe, and bye for now.